Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix hotspot problem in your Samsung device. If you are facing not connecting issue or password automatically changed issue in your hotspot, you can change or fix it by doing simple steps. First, you have to just go to the mobile hotspot settings. Here it is. So friends, you can see here it is the passcode that is automatically changing every time. So you can just make it simple like this, and at least 8 digit password you have to save. Then click on bandwidth. You have to click on 5 gigahertz so that it will connect fast and it will give a fast internet speed. Then you have to save it like this, and then you have to just turn on it so it will show the internet and it will go faster. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.